Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Mm.
So, yes,
Have a seat, Abhay.
thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Abhay, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Abhay Pratap Singh, and I was born and brought up in Gwalior. I have done my schooling from Gwalior itself. And then I have pursued my graduation in BLLB honors from National Law University, Delhi in 2021. And after that, I've started preparing for the judicial services. And in my family, my father is a government servant, my mother is a housemaker. I have one elder sister and one younger brother, and my hobby is football. Thank you.
ओके जज क्यों बनना चाहते हैं आप?
Ma'am, uh, uh, I would say that initially I had the privilege to live in a society or in a neighborhood where I've seen various judges in my neighborhood. So I think that was one of the that could be said that is one of the impact on my life, that why I want to do law or why I want to be judge. And after that, when I started, when I went into the law school, I had the I got the opportunity to meet Honorable Justice Murlidhar. So from where I got the motivation to become a judge.
आपको लगता है आपके अंदर क्वालिटीज हैं एक जज बनने की?
Yes, ma'am, surely, I think so.
क्या क्या क्वालिटीज हैं जो होनी चाहिए?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I think that there are some basic qualities which a judge should have, like the honesty, hard work, and he should be disciplined, and these are some basic qualities. But apart from that, I also think that he should be impartial, and I think these are some basic qualities which I could.
बट ये क्वालिटीज तो जो और एस्पिरेंट्स आए हैं उनके
Yes,
अंदर भी
ma'am.
हो सकती हैं, तो व्हाई शुड द पैनल चूज यू ओवर देम?
Surely, ma'am. Ma'am, I think that I have some another qualities. Like one of the qualities which I could find in me in this, that I am a quick learner, so I can easily learn things. Which can be found from the fact that I am a fresher itself. So this fact also suggests that I am a quick learner. And secondly, I feel that, ma'am, I have the ability to adapt things easily. So I can basically these things. I've got this comment from my family itself that I I can study in any environment and I do not get distracted easily. So I think that if I were to placed as a judge in any place or in any remote area, then I think that I can be a good judge.
ओके यू हैव डन योर ग्रेजुएशन फ्रॉम नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी दिल्ली
Yes, ma'am.
व्हेन इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड?
Ma'am, 2008.
2008. And who is the current vice chancellor?
Ma'am, currently, ma'am, Dr. Harpreet Kaur is the Vice Chancellor of National Law University, Delhi.
एनएलयू दिल्ली अपना एग्जाम क्लैट के साथ कंडक्ट नहीं कराता, एक सेपरेट एग्जाम कंडक्ट कराता है. इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक रीजन फॉर द सेम?
Ma'am, although I do not know any specific reason, but I think the Vice Chancellor earlier, who was the former Vice Chancellor, Dr. Ranbir Singh, was the Vice Chancellor of Nalsar, Hyderabad also. So he thought that he should make a separate university, which is like the NLSIU. So he thought of giving a different exam, conducting a different exam. So that's why.
Is it a state university or a central university?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not sure of this.
Abhay, what is your area of interest in law?
Sir, although I have read each and every subject and work hardly for each and every subject, but I like more criminal, sir.
Criminal.
Yes.
All right. Abhay, suppose a person lodges an FIR
Sir.
regarding a cognizable offense with the police.
Yes.
He goes with that information to the police. The police lodges an FIR on that.
Yes.
What is the obligation of police immediately after lodging FIR?
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly, sir, what I could think is, firstly, he has to register the FIR. Secondly, sir, he will start inform the he will enter these information in the diary as well and inform the concerned judicial magistrate that FIR has been come in this court. FIR has come in this police station, and he would inform the concerned judicial magistrate. Then he will start with the procedure like the taking the he would reach the spot where the incident has happened. He would take the statements of the concerned accused and the victim. So.
Suppose if the officer is of the opinion that there is no need of investigation in this case.
Yes, sir.
can he decide not to investigate that particular case?
Sir, in cognizable offense, I don't think so. He can deny investigation. Sir, I'm not sure about this. Sorry, sir.
In cognizable cases, police cannot deny investigation, or they can.
Sir, although I'm not sure, sir, but I think, sir, they can deny
They can
investigation.
deny.
Yes, sir.
Suppose they deny,
Yes, sir.
then what is the remedy available to that
Sir,
informant?
remedies, sir, first remedy is under section 154(3) of by posting a letter to the
Is it
superintendent.
regarding investigation? Under 154, you're saying? Is it regarding investigation? If the police denies to investigate?
No, sir.
No. Then what is the remedy available to such an informant?
Sir, we can go to the judicial magistrate of the jurisdiction, and the magistrate can direct for investigation under 156 clause 3.
All right. Do you know anything about protest petition?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, suppose if complaint or the police report is come to the judicial magistrate, and there the judicial magistrate think that some opinion has been found by the suppose the police officer. He says that case has been made or case has not been made. That then the judge may deny that. Firstly, then he will either take the charge sheet as the he will take the charge sheet as it is or proceed with the case, or either he may deny that he do not want to proceed further. So if the charge sheet is filed, suppose, and the judge said that judge also agrees with the charge closure report, sorry, not charge sheet, then a protest petition can be filed by the victim with the respective judge. So that is protest petition.
All right. And what do you understand by further investigation?
Sir, if a police officer is of the opinion that there is no if the police officer is of the submits a report before the judicial magistrate, then if the judicial magistrate does not agree with the opinion of the police officer, then he can direct for further investigation under section 173 clause 8.
What is the difference between further investigation and re-investigation?
Sir, further investigation is generally done by after the filing of the charge sheet or the closure report, but I think there is no concept of re-investigation.
There's no concept of
Yes, sir.
re-investigation.
The magistrate cannot say that you re-investigate the case.
Magistrate cannot order for re-investigation?
No, sir, I don't think so.
All right.
Yes.
All right. All right. If a person is brought before the magistrate during investigation, a person is arrested,
Yes,
there is
sir.
a mandatory provision that he must be produced within 24 hours before a magistrate.
Yes, sir.
मजिस्ट्रेट के पास एक व्यक्ति को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है फॉर फर्दर कस्टडी
Yes.
और मजिस्ट्रेट कस्टडी ग्रांट कर देते हैं
Yes, sir.
लेट्स से फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days द पर्सन इज सेंट टू जुडिशियल कस्टडी
Yes, sir.
अब क्या पुलिस ऑफिसर को अगर लगता है इन बिटवीन कि ये अक्यूज्ड गिल्टी नहीं है, इसका कोई रोल नहीं है, तो क्या वो छोड़ सकते हैं उसे?
Sir, may I take few seconds?
7 days की कस्टडी ग्रांट हो गई है, बट 3 दिन बाद ही इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पुलिस को ये लगता है कि ही इज ऑफ नो यूज, इसका कोई रोल नहीं है और इसका कोई इस इन्वेस्टिगेशन पर्पस के लिए आगे इसको रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो उन्होंने कस्टडी 7 दिन की ले ली थी, क्या 3 दिन बाद पुलिस छोड़ सकती है?
So, the accused has been sent to judicial custody.
Yes.
So, from the judicial custody, I think only the court has the power to release the accused. The police has not the power to release the accused.
Police does not have power to release the accused.
What is the difference between forgery and cheating?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, forgery is discussed under section 463 of IPC, while cheating is discussed under section 415 of IPC. Forgery is basically that creating any document or any electronic record for the purpose of committing fraud or for making any claim over any property. And cheating is basically any act which is done dishonestly or fraudulently with the act of uh, with the act of making any claim or compelling any person to do anything which is not compelled to do. And cheating, sorry, ma'am, I'm not aware of.
Okay.
I
Are you
cannot
aware
recall it.
about cheating by personation?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, cheating is personation is done by, for example, if I am the cheater, I am the accused, then I basically say that this document or I'm using any another person and saying that this act has been, this document has been, for example, made by any another person who is either not alive or some fictitious person is used for the purpose of cheating. So that is cheating by personation.
What is the minimum punishment for that?
Sorry, ma'am, I cannot recall.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between Section 300 of CRPC with Article 20, Clause 2 of Constitution?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly, under Article 20, Clause 2, that 20, Clause 3, that is the constitutional fundamental right, and under Article 300, that is provided under CRPC. So, firstly, under the 300, the concept of sorry, authorized acquit and authorized convict is prescribed, where the accused can be acquitted as well and can be punished as well. But under Section 20, Clause 3 of Constitution, there can only be punishment. The it does not apply for the acquittal.
Okay. ये आपका पहला attempt है.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the first attempt, you have got a call for the interview round.
Yes,
If not selected today, what will be your next step? You'll continue preparation.
yes, ma'am. I will continue my preparation.
Okay. मुझे जस्टिस DY चंद्रचूड़ के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Ma'am, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is a very famous judge, and earlier his father was also a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, where he has given very prominent judges. And I think that D.Y. Chandrachud currently is a very progressive and judge who is very who is doing very good work for the gender justice as well. He has given some very prominent feminist judgments which are in favor of the women and which are in favor of the equality. So I think I consider D.Y. Chandrachud as a very progressive judge.
लर्निंग्स आपने उनसे क्या सीखी हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, firstly that we should always go for the equality, or we should always talk about the gender equality and gender justice. And secondly, to learn. Secondly, ma'am, I also think that he always talks about the minority or the downtrodden or the lower class of the society, which should always be kept in mind while doing any job or while considering any judgment or any act.
Abhay, you belong to Gwalior.
Yes, sir.
Tell me two exclusive things about Gwalior.
Sir, exclusive things, sir. I do not know any exclusive things, but sir, yeah, there are the Gwalior is very famous for the rich heritage cities, like rich heritage places. Like there are various famous colleges in our Gwalior, which has been formed since the Britishers' time, and it is also famous for the fort, sir, which has been famous worldwide. Sir, currently I can think of this.
Do you know what was the role of Gwalior in 1857 revolt?
Uh, yes, sir, sir. I cannot recall exactly the what happened, but sir, yes, I one incident which I could recall is the Rani Lakshmi Bai jumped from the. It is said that the Rani Lakshmi Bai died there in the Gwalior while fighting for the 1857 revolt, and she jumped from that fort. I think that is one of the stories which comes during that struggle.
All right. You have stayed in Delhi for your graduation.
Yes.
Does the city Delhi helps in some way to law graduates?
Yes, sir, definitely, sir. I think, sir, Delhi definitely has an edge towards the student who do not stay in the Delhi. I think, sir, firstly, you have the advantage of the Supreme Court itself, where you could go for the internships and you could learn various things. And secondly, there are various high courts, so district courts, so you could go in any district court. And certainly, the practices in district courts as well are done in English, so you could go and learn their different things.
All right. All right. Okay, Abhi, your interview is over.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
So, how was the experience? This is your first mock interview?
No, sir. Sir, I've given online, sir. One
Online.
interview.
The
Yes.
physical was the first.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, I think, sir, this was better, sir. Initially, online में बहुत सारी दिक्कतें आ रही थी, जैसे हाँ कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम रहता है और नर्वस भी काफी हो रहा था, पर आज थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल लग रहा था।
वो चीज होती है, इसीलिए आई सजेस्टेड कि
यस सर,
कम टू द
बहुत जरूरी
फिजिकल।
सच में जरूरी।
क्योंकि थोड़ा सा क्या, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू,
यस
थोड़ा सा पोस्चर कैसा रखना
क्वेश्चन,
है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज
यस।
कैसे है, हाउ विल यू एंटर,
हम्म
हाउ विल यू ग्रीट दी पैनल, ये चीजें थोड़ी, इन थोड़ी चीजों
जरूरी,
में थोड़ी क्लैरिटी बेटर मिलती है।
यस यस।
और इसमें क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लगे तुम्हें?
सर थोड़ा नर्वस कम हो रहा था, जैसे मैंने फर्स्ट इनिशियल जो मॉक दिया था उसमें मुझे चक्कर आने लगे थे। हाँ, तो थोड़े टाइम बाद में मतलब एकदम ब्लैंक हो गया था, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या पूछ रहे हैं। पर आज थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा था, थोड़ा पहले से, मतलब थोड़ा कंपैरेटिवली।
ऑलराइट ऑलराइट, ठीक है। कॉन्फिडेंस पहले से बेटर है तुम कह रहे हो, बट स्टिल देयर इज
तो हाँ,
है ना,
वो
अभी
है।
थोड़ा सा और है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था
नहीं नहीं
कि
है,
थोड़ा सा लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस
है।
वो होगा। जैसे
होगा,
पिछली बार से अभी इम्प्रूव
थोड़ा
होगा, अब जब
कंपैरेटिवली
फाइनली जाओगे तो वो डेफिनेटली थोड़ा
डेफिनेटली
इम्प्रूव होगा।
होगा।
लॉ के बेसिक प्रोविजंस का कंसर्न है दैट
हाँ,
यू शुड रिवाइज वंस अगेन, है ना।
यस,
जैसे सीआरपीसी के तो काफी कुछ ठीक ठाक तुमने
ठीक,
बताया, बट हर चीज में कंफ्यूजन
कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है,
है ना। आईपीसी के बेसिक क्वेश्चंस में प्रॉब्लम है,
प्रॉब्लम होता
तो उसको थोड़ा सा जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं
है।
एटलीस्ट, एंड इफ यू आर सीइंग क्रिमिनल,
हम्म,
तो एटलीस्ट देखो वहां तो लॉ से कुछ भी पूछा जा सकता है, लोकल लॉस के भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे, है ना। लेकिन ये जो प्रोविजंस हैं जो
हम्म,
काफी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोविजंस हैं, उनका एक बार ब्रश अप और करो अच्छे से,
ठीक,
दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड।
रिकॉल करने में
क्योंकि अभी क्या
दिक्कत।
हो रहा है ना, बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से तुम्हारे पास इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि नहीं,
हाँ,
और श्योरिटी नहीं है किसी भी
सर,
चीज में तुम्हें कि ये चीज मैं बता रहा हूँ ये सही है कि नहीं।
हम्म,
तो उसको थोड़ा सा ब्रश अप। कब है तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू?
सर 6 फेब।
6 है,
हाँ,
तो अभी टाइम
टाइम,
है ना, तो उसको
ठीक,
थोड़ा सा एक बार ब्रश अप करो, जो
हम्म,
बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं लॉ के, उनको एक बार ब्रश अप कर लो, तो इट विल हेल्प यू।
ठीक,
सेम मुझे भी एक दफा है कि थोड़ा सा
कॉन्सेप्ट,
कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल पर वर्क करना है।
ठीक,
क्योंकि नर्वस ज्यादा, इसलिए शायद आती हुई चीजें भी आप बता नहीं पा रहे हो। और
हम्म,
जो भी बेसिक है, चाहे वो लॉ से रिलेटेड हो
हम्म,
या जैसे अगर आप ग्वालियर को बिलोंग
कॉलेज,
करते हो तो वहां से रिलेटेड जो जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन है, वो सारी चीजें आनी चाहिए। और इतना नर्वस होने की जरूरत नहीं है।
ठीक,
आपने फर्स्ट राउंड में इंटरव्यू कॉल लिया है,
हाँ,
सो बी प्राउड ऑफ
चलो,
दैट एंड डोंट फील सो नर्वस।
श्योर,
सो बाकी जैसे ये वाली चीज आपने की थी कि जब आप एंटर करके आए थे तो आपने पूछा था कि मे आई हैव अ सीट, डोंट आस्क इट। वो
ओके,
खुद ही आपको बोलते हैं कि
श्योर,
बैठ जाओ, या वो लीव करने के लिए भी आपको खुद ही बोलेंगे।
अच्छा,
और
जस्ट स्टैंड देयर सिंपली।
ओके,
और आई कांटेक्ट वैसे तो आपने बराबर ही बनाया था, वहां पर 3 पैनल मेंबर्स हैं। सो
तीन,
आपको सबके साथ बराबर बनाना है, बस जिसने सवाल पूछा उसे एड्रेस आप ज्यादा
हम्म,
करेंगे। बाकी मुझे लग रहा है कि आप कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल पर अपना थोड़ा सा
थोड़ा और
वर्क कर
कम,
लेंगे तो आप आंसर्स को और बेटर तरीके से बता पाएंगे। ऐसा नहीं था कि आपको चीटिंग पता
हम्म,
नहीं है या फॉर्जरी पता नहीं
वो,
है, बट जैसे 300 और 20 क्लॉज 2 को आपने बता लिया, जबकि
हम्म,
वो ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड
यस,
था एज कम्पेयर टू दिस। सो जस्ट बी कॉन्फिडेंस एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओके,
ठीक है, बाकी कुछ अगर क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी हो अगर, तो जस्ट गिव मी अ कॉल।
श्योर,
ठीक है,
थैंक यू
सो
सो मच सर,
थैंक
थैंक यू
यू।
सो मच।